So guys, how to use grid layout in HTML? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. To use grid layout, at first we need to have a grid container. For that, let's add a new div, less than div, greater than, less than slash div. Give it a class name. Suppose grid container. Then inside the container we need to add our items. So less than div, less than slash div. Same, give our item a class name. Class equal double quotation. Suppose item. Then how many items or child you want to add? Suppose 9. Copy, paste. Now go inside the style section. Call for the grid container class. Opening brace, closing brace, give it some space. Inside we need to say that this container will use the grid layout. So display clone grid semicolon. Then the template we want to use grid dash template dash columns clone repeat first bracket. Now the first parameter, how many items you want to place side by side. Suppose we want to place 3 items. So 3 comma, then the spacing. Suppose we want equal spacing. For that 1 fr. Close it, semicolon. Now call for the item class dot item, opening brace, closing brace. Give our item a background color, color clone, suppose gray, semicolon, padding. This is totally optional because here we are just styling our item area. Text align, center, border, so that we can see all of the items area clearly. Clone, border width 1 pixel, solid border, then the border color black. Let's give all of our items different number so that we can see them clearly. Save the document. Reload. See, we have our grid layout. Now if we want to add some space between the grids, go inside the grid container, write grid dash gap clone, suppose 5 pixel, semicolon. Save and reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.